Have you read this book? This is Raving Fans by Ken Blanchard, and it's how we strive to serve the families we work with. I first read this 8 years ago whenever I was getting into the mortgage industry. My name is Andrew Tahanchuk, and I'm with Cornerstone Home Lending. Today, I'm going to share with you why this book is so important to our team and how you can create a Raving Fan experience. Picture this, customer service that's so revolutionary that every client you work with becomes a raving fan of you, your team, and your business. They can't stop talking about their fantastic experience with your team, and they tell everyone they know. Sounds pretty awesome, right? It is possible. So here are 3 secrets we use to create those amazing experiences for our clients. Step 1, decide what you want. Before you can provide customer service worthy of raving fans, you have to create a vision of perfection centered around the client. If I just lost you, stick with me. Anything with the word perfect can seem intimidating. So remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to imagine the perfect vision of how your business operates and how it will serve your clients. So let's all close our eyes and visualize exactly what you want your business to be. Every little detail matters. Once you have the perfect vision, compare it to what's actually happening right now. Step 2, discover what the customer wants. In order to provide what your client is interested in, you have to discover their vision too. It may seem redundant to create your own vision and alter it based on your clients, but still necessary. Ask for feedback, send out surveys, and listen to their wants and needs. That said, you don't have to provide every service under the sun. Just focus on perfecting the ones in your vision and the clients will come. Step 3, deliver the +1. To create a raving fan, it's not enough just to do your job well. You have to give a client everything they want and top it off with a little more. Deliver your service and then put icing on the top. An example would be a receptionist running to the store to grab a special coffee creamer for a client that has a dairy allergy. To do this, your business needs a strong infrastructure. Your systems, processes, and training need to be firmly in place. Make the +1 a culture in your business. Your team members should know that delivering +1 customer service is the norm and should be the goal with every single client. Now's the hard part, implementing it. Know that creating a raving fan experience might not happen overnight, but with consistency, dedication, and flexibility, you can do it. You can find this short and sweet book on Amazon, and it will only take about an hour to read. Have you read it? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and share with your friends, and I'll see you next time.